Hell yeah, brother! Alright, what's going on today, you guys? Out here working on Kyle's bike, the 2013 CRF 250. And he's got a new exhaust for it. So we're going to show you guys how to put this new exhaust on. Show you guys what his bike looks like in this new exhaust. I'm going to take this old exhaust off. Should be pretty easy. So, I'll show you the bike, show you the exhaust, and we'll tune back in with you guys in a second. Alright, pretty cool, right? You actually picked this thing up for like 200 bucks. And it's a Yoshi RS4. And yeah, no complaints for 200 bucks. It's a slip on, but still, should change the sound of this thing, make it sound pretty good. So, I'm going to start by taking this side shroud off. Bolt, 10mm bolt here, and there's the exhaust bolt here, and there's probably another retaining bolt somewhere right around there. So anyways, we'll tune you guys when we got all this apart. I'll show you guys how to take it apart. And then, yeah, slide this new one on. Hope she fits. Alright, so we got this thing torn down here. It looks like this exhaust is just gonna obviously slip right on like the name says. It looks like he bought the correct gear. The guy in Kijiji didn't screw us. So hopefully this will be as easy as taking it off. Alright, so we got this thing on. Fit pretty well. Couldn't get any easier than that for honestly installing a muffler. So now we gotta fire this thing up, see how she sounds.